Hi, today I'm sharing this a small video with you guys. I hope you're gonna like this video. There are some tips to refinish your deck. The deck is about 7 years old. It's not that old. When I finished this deck first time, I finished with the semi-transparent paint with the Behr. It was a really good stain, the cedar color, but now it's time to refinish again, and this time I chose the solid color because this is a sun-facing deck, and I think the solid color would be a better choice, and it's a long-lasting. So this time I'm using the Sherwin-Williams paint and the lighter one because we changed the whole siding of the house. Before that it was the red siding, and now I change it with midnight blue. It's a very beautiful color. I'm sharing that video in the separate video because it's a really bad hail damage on the house. So keep watching the channel. If you like the channel, give me a thumbs up. And I used the paintbrush because it goes in every nook and cranny in the wood, and then use the roller. It will be long lasting. I pick up the light color because of the sun. So I think this light color pop up more against this dark siding. So keep watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna share you more exciting video with you guys about my house renovation, the whole exterior. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in next video.